John, he says it's absurd that you guys at local government can't cut. How would you do it in Plant City? If you were faced with this $6 billion in cuts across the state and your share was in the millions or tens of millions, what would you do?
Well, it's an interesting, first of all, choice of language when he says it's absurd. Frankly, I think it's absurd to suggest that cities and counties can cut 25% of their gross revenue simply at a whim. If there were truly those kinds of inefficiencies, you can be assured that I would have cut those long ago. When Speaker Rubio talks about inefficiencies, if he's so convinced that there are, then he should look at his own budget, first of all. If you go back to the time frame he's talking about, 2001 to 2002, from that time frame up until today, there's been nearly a 50% increase in state budgets. That's well above what the CPI is. In fact, as Susan was pointing out, the new budget that came out is 10% higher than last year, which coincidentally, last year it was $64 billion, this year it's projected to be $70 billion. There's precisely, coincidentally, the $6 billion he's looking for. So if he's serious on doing property tax cuts, as I and all of us would certainly agree upon, you can find the money without raising sales taxes. You simply roll back state budget back to last year's, do no other increases, take that additional $6 billion that he's projected receiving, send it to cities and counties with the mandate that we shall use that to reduce all of our property taxes.